What up, though, family? What up, though, y'all? I am Anakai Sharif Bey. No name, just I am.
We ride with the prophet, man. We ride with the prophet, man.
No! No! God! No! God, please, no! No! No!
This program was made possible by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
I'm not letting you open my conveyance.
I understand that.
I'm not letting you open my conveyance.
Okay.
Who are you?
This is the Broward Sheriff's Office. Listen,
look at how
do you have your
you're
license with
approaching
you? Do you have your license with you?
I'm a foreign national.
No, you're not.
Are you able to unlock your door for me, please?
I'm not unlocking my door.
Is this your
fear for
information?
my life. And you are being recorded.
Okay.
I fear for my life.
Okay.
I fear for my life right now. The law is on my conveyance.
Okay. You're being stopped because your tag is not a valid Florida license plate.
I'm not
or any
operating in
license
commerce. I'm a foreign national. I gave you my identification.
Your name's not in it.
I gave you my identification. You want my information?
plate. Do you have a license?
You want my information?
Do you have a license issued in
the
any
law
of
is
the
right
50
on my
states of the United
conveyance.
States?
Something that has his name on it. Your
I
name on it.
just gave you my identification that has my name on it. It has my appellation on it.
There is no naming here.
It's the one I just gave you, man.
Listen, you need to unlock this door. We're going to break this window. You need to unlock this door or we're going to break this window.
I'm giving you my information.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
None of that information is valid.
You're violating international law right now.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
You're violating international law, man.
This is the last time I'm going to tell you.
You're violating
the door, we're going to break the window. Break the window.
You're violating international law.
Break the window.
Listen, unlock the door. This is your last chance. This is your last chance to unlock the door.
I'm giving you my information.
I understand. Listen, we need a license or some sort of state ID.
I'm not operating in commerce to give you a license. I'm not operating in commerce.
Okay, do you have a passport?
License is for commercial activity.
Do you have a passport?
I don't have a passport. I have an international identification I just gave you.
Issued under who?
The 1508 states that that's a lawful identification document.
All right. One more chance.
Are you ready to go crazy?
I'm already hearing voices. I want to break your window.
Step out.
And my many thanks to Midwest Safety for the body cam video. Check their link in the description, subscribe today, and check out the entire video on their channel. Also, Swindle Hoodwink got to interview an actual Moroccan and descendant of the Moors. Here's his thoughts on this Sovcit Moorish American movement.
Well, in general, it's obvious. The first thing that comes up to my head is no, like not even close. You know, it's the thing is there are black people here that lives with us. They can claim to be Moorish, and that is more convincing than these people, because these people lived in USA. It's so far away to claim another culture like this, if you know what I mean. Yes. Like, and just to jump from here to from there, like from USA to Africa here, and claim a whole culture that you have nothing to do with, you have no evidence of, you have no genetic relations to whatsoever, no linguistic even, nothing at all, and then just want to claim it. It's nonsense to me. And then as I got deeper into it, I just get shocked every time. I'm like, what are you talking about? Like, I wish I could have them around here, teach them all about the proper Moorish culture, about what is actually what does it mean to be Moor? What does it really like? What does it feel and mean? And what is actually being Moor, if you know what I mean? Because none of what they claim, and I'm like, just no, that's totally wrong. It's absolutely wrong. Like everything they say, everything they claim to dress, everything they claim to, like the names, as you said, is pretty new to me. Bay El, we don't use that at all. It's so not familiar in North Africa. We use totally different names. If we talk about the original Moorish names, that's totally different. It's called Bukus, Baga, Atlas, Abuhud. Those are Moorish names. Those are 100% Moorish names. Because we talk about the kingdom of Mauritania like 100 BC before, the 100 years before Christ. And those are original, not affected by any other culture. Those are pure Moorish names. Why didn't you look into it if you want to claim the culture? That means that you are relying on some false sources, which is definitely the whole book and whatever they have in their hands. They claim to be Quran and the prophet that they call Ali something. You know, if you know what I mean? Yeah, True Ali. And nah, it's none of that is correct. To me, as a Moorish person, an actual person who lived in the culture, surrounded by the Moorish people, lived and studied and grow up into the culture, it's totally strange for me. It doesn't, from far it seems like some couple people that gather up that want to make up stuff, and then they looked around, they picked up something randomly and just claim it. A Moroccan flag, whatever, let's give it 10,000 years old. What are you talking? 10,000 years old? Like, that's even older than, that's almost as old as the Ibro-Maurician. I would call it the father of Moors, if you know what I mean, genetically. That's the Ibro, 14,000 years ago. Ibro-Maurician is the oldest evidence of the indigenous people of North Africa that look exactly like us, by the way. And you say that the flag is that old, 10,000 years ago? Bro, what? That's total nonsense. It doesn't make any sense.
You can't fix stupid.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can meet a live chat with everyone else, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to our channel members, Robert Morley, Andy, Chris Kelling, Goddess of Truth, Pedro, Westside Girl Reacts, Existential Angst, CW1960, Pat's Cats, Butcherbird, Jason Heaton, and Buddy Parker. Now, if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Hit that thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, and ring that bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you soon.